Unraveling Skill Metrics, a guide to understanding proficiency. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting topic that often pops up in various fields such as education, employment, and personal development. We're talking about skill metrics. Understanding this concept can help you gauge your abilities and track your progress in learning English or any other skill. Let's get started. Skill metrics are quantitative measures used to assess an individual's abilities in a particular area. Think of them as a report card for your skills, showing where you excel and where you might need improvement. They can be test scores, proficiency levels, or any other data that provide insight into your performance. In learning English, skill metrics can be incredibly beneficial. They help learners set goals, monitor progress, and stay motivated. For teachers and institutions, these metrics serve as a tool to tailor educational programs to meet the learner's needs. In short, they're important because they give a clear picture of a learner's current level and what's needed to improve. When it comes to English, common skill metrics include standardized test scores like TOEFL or IELTS for non-native speakers. There are also frameworks like the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR, which categorizes learners from A1, beginner, to C2, mastery. These are all standardized ways to measure your language skills. To effectively use skill metrics in learning English, start by taking an initial assessment to determine your current level. Set realistic goals based on the results and use the metrics as a roadmap for your learning journey. Regularly reassess your skills to see how you've improved and what areas require more focus. Understanding and utilizing skill metrics can significantly impact your English learning journey. They are not just numbers or levels but stepping stones that lead to better mastery and confidence in using the language. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of skill metrics and helps you in your learning process. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.